How to secure Gmail account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can secure Gmail account by checking the recommended action on Google account. So without further delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up your Gmail in your device. Then head towards your profile icon at the top right. Once tap on your profile icon, there you can see just below your profile name there is recommended actions. If you tap on it, you'll be taken in this page where under recommended action you have to enter your sign in and recovery. So in order to do that, again tap on your profile icon at the top right, or you can go back now, tap on your profile icon at the top right, then tap on Google account. Once you get into this page, just below your profile name there is this menu bar. Swipe that to your left and tap on security. And under security, here it says you have security recommendation. So for that, scroll down now. Here you have to add a phone number or an email address. So tap on recovery phone and wait until it verifies you. So provide your screen lock for the verification. After that, you have to add the recovery phone number in order to secure your account. Here it says your recovery phone is used to reach you in case we detect unusual activity in your account or you accidentally get logged out. So for this, you have to add your recovery phone number. Tap on add recovery phone number and here simply provide your phone number. Here it says your phone number will be used for your security purpose. Once you enter your phone number, tap on next. After that, a verification code will be sent in your mobile number. You have to type in the code and verify. Once verified, phone number will be added in your account in order to secure your account. So similarly, again, you have to add your email. So tap on recovery email. Again, follow the same step. You have to add another recovery email. Tap on verify, and under this recovery email you will receive a verification code where you have to type in the code. Once verified, your recovery email will be added and both of your email or recovery phone will be used to secure your account. And that's how you can secure your Gmail account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.